Question 19. The following sequence continues indefinitely. And so I've written these out on my screen. Which of the following integers is a multiple of 81? And we've got some choices there as to what they are. We know that the 3 times 3, 3 multiplied by 3 is going to be 9. So all of these numbers, all of the numbers that we're looking for and all of the numbers that are in the answer will automatically be a multiple of 9. To make it 81 though, we need another multiple of 9. So we need 3 multiplied by 3, and then we need to have a number here that is also a multiple of 9. So we know that this is a multiple of 9. And we also need one of these that's going to be a multiple of 9. So what we are building up into here to do, if we want to check whether a number is a multiple of 9, what we can do is we can add the digits of this together. So the next number here, for instance, would be 2, 2, 2, 2, 3. And we're going to add the digits together. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is not a multiple. This number here is not a multiple of 9. Let's go for the next one. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus something plus 3 has to equal a multiple of 9. To get to there, we need some more 2s to be able to get that 11. So we need to get all the way, and we need to be adding 18, because 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6, 7, 8, 9 gives us this, but we need to get to the next even number that is a multiple of 9. And therefore, what we're looking at here is to find a number that has 18 plus all of these 2s. So therefore, we need 6 more zeros, because 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, we've got 2, 2, 2. We would need to have 9 more 2s on this, which adds 9 more zeros on this, which means the answer. Therefore, you've got 3 plus 9 zeros. And therefore, the answer is E, which if you really want me to write it, which you probably do, it is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's this number. It's the one that's on the diagram if we're going to put commas in there. What is it? That's million, billion, trillion, 20 trillion and 7.